Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So yesterday I let you know that Google Chrome is silently downloading a 4 GB AR model. And as mentioned in the video, Chrome is downloading Gemini Nano's weights.bin file to your local storage. I'll leave the video linked if you'd like more information, because I ran through a fix that you can apply if it's something you are suspicious of or concerned about privacy or just don't require. Check the video out for more info. Now, obviously, installing a 4 GB AR model has sparked controversy. I've seen in the comments people are not happy, and lots of people are referring to it as bloatware or spyware, with not much information being given by Google. Now, in regards to the controversy and information, Google now has provided Android Authority with a statement about the file. The article will be in the description. And Google has said to Android Authority, obviously due to the backlash, and I'm quoting, "We've offered Gemini Nano for Chrome since 2024 as a lightweight, on-device model. It powers important security capabilities like scam detection and developer APIs without sending your data to the cloud. While this requires some local space on the desktop to run, the model will automatically uninstall if the device is low on resources. In February, we began rolling out the ability for users to easily turn off and remove the model directly in Chrome settings. Once disabled, the model will no longer download or update. More details in our Help Center article," quote unquote. So that's according to Google. Now, I'm going to break this up into one or two bits and pieces. What they're referring to here is it powers important security capabilities like scam detection. Is if we head into our settings, privacy and security, it's very closely linked with enhanced protection, as I've mentioned previously. Standard protection is the default, but if you have enhanced protection on, that's what Google is referring to. It powers important security capabilities like scam detection, which is provided when you turn on enhanced protection. And then the second bit of that is Google says in February, it began rolling out the ability for you to easily turn off and remove the model directly in Chrome settings. And this is what I posted on yesterday. So if we head to our system in settings, here you'll see on-device AR. Now, I covered this in detail yesterday and basically ran through what happens when this is on and when this is off. Check the video out for more info. So they're referring to the fact that since February, and I did post on this when it became available in February, you can turn off and remove the model directly by turning off that setting. And that will actually delete the model and the file, which, as mentioned, is about 4 GB in size. I've covered that quite in depth in yesterday's video. Now, although Google's statement has, to some degree or the other, maybe shed a little bit of light, I still think they are still vague in a lot of aspects. Because I think first prize would have been, if you toggle this on, there would be a warning that the AR model, which is 4 GB in size, is being downloaded. I think that would have been first prize. So you know when you toggle this on, a 4 GB file is going to be downloaded. So you know basically as an advanced warning what's going on. Because when you toggle this on, for most people, because this is actually toggled on by default, and most average home users won't even know what is going on in the background with this toggle turned on. So I think first prize would have been toggling that on, or even toggling it off. There would have been a banner or some sort of info bar that pops up saying this is what's happening, so you actually get informed about what's going on. But let me know your thoughts down below. Google's statement to Android Authority, does it give you a little bit more peace of mind or not? Let me know your thoughts. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.